Okay, here we are in the basement, and I'm going to try and recreate the edge sound, the edges sound for U2's track Where the Streets Have No Name, using that, which is a Korg sampling delay SDD 2000, which you can pick up on eBay if you're lucky. One of those, which is it's not the AC30, it's the AC15, but the AC30 blows the heads off chickens, so I'm going to use that, which is a Burnley Les Paul, which is slightly underpowered pickups, but I like it, and it has a sustainer in it, which is cool. And then I'll boost it ever so slightly with one of these. I just got that. It's a vintage overdrive by Joyo, which costs about 30 quid, and it's supposed to be as good as a tube screamer. So here we go. That's my settings. Level, direct, all that. 352 is the time. And the blue pick, the blue German pick with the scratchy edge.